Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. In today's video, I'm gonna be talking about how you can send money back home. The very first company I'm gonna tell you about is Remit. I'm gonna be leaving the links below. For this company, I have tried using them, but it was a hassle. So I applied, I signed up for this company, this remittance company. I passed the registration process because they have to send documents to your home to verify your address. You send them your personal information and all of that, because of course when you're sending money out, you have to go through certain procedures. Anyways, so when it came time for me to send money to Jamaica, there was an issue. So they had the money because I had to send it from a bank account to their account, and then from their account I went online and I sent it to Jamaica. So I don't know, somewhere from it being with them and going to Jamaica, there was an issue because they were saying that they could not send the money to Jamaica for whatever reason. So I was back and forth with them. I decided to, okay, I need to cancel this transaction because you people are annoying me. This is Remit I'm talking about. People are annoying me, right? So I canceled the transaction and I was waiting on my money for like a month, over a month before I got my money. So I was very pissed. Someone recommended this company to me. So you have people who are using this company, but for me, I would never ever use this company and I would not recommend it to people. But like I said, people use this company, so I'm aware of this company. People use them to send money back home, so you can try it at your own risk, but I would not recommend that you use this company at all, because I don't know why they couldn't send my money to Jamaica. But there are other Jamaicans who use this company and they are quite fine. One of the main reasons why I was using this company as well is because they are very cheap. I think it was like 500 yen to send money back home, which is very, very cheap. And the exchange rate from yen to Jamaican dollar was very high. So that's all I gotta say about Remit. Try it at your own risk. The second company I'm gonna be telling you guys about, which is very, very popular, everybody probably know this, it's Western Union. I've never used Western Union in Japan. I don't know what the fees are like, but if I can find some information online, I'm gonna insert it in the video. I'm gonna find the link and I'm gonna leave it below so that you guys can check it out. But I know that with Western Union, you have to withdraw the money from your account and then go to a location to send the money back home. And there is no Western Union near me, so every month I would have to literally go somewhere to send money, and I was not into that. So that's why I haven't used it. I'm not interested in using Western Union. But of course, that out of all the companies, I would say that Western Union is the most trustworthy and most reliable, but I haven't used it because it's just too much of a hassle for me to find a location and go there every month. So the third company that I'm gonna tell you guys about is a company that I use every single month, and this company is called Smile Wallet. So why I love this company is because whenever I need to send money to Jamaica, I go to the ATM. I have a Japan Post Bank account, so I go to my Post Bank account and I transfer money from my account to their account. And then I go on the app, because there's an app that I download on my phone. I go on the app and I record the money that I have added to their account. And if I do this within 15 minutes, within 10 minutes, then it will be uploaded within 5 minutes, something like that. So once the balance is in your account, then you can go ahead and send the money to Jamaica from the app. So literally all you need to do is, I just got an email, sorry. Literally all you need to do is go to the ATM, and you don't even have to go to the ATM, because if you have online banking, you can just send the money to the Smile Wallet online, and that's it. So can you imagine? You don't even have to leave your house. So that's why another reason why I love this company. But for some reason my online banking not working, and I'm not about to get a headache trying to call them and figure out what's wrong. I just leave it alone. So I go to the ATM, I send money to Smile Wallet, I update my information on the app and then I send it to whomever I need to send it to in Jamaica. What I don't like with my wallet is that it's very expensive. To send less 50,000 yen or less, you pay 1,500 yen for, that's a fee, and to send over 50,000 yen it's 2,500 yen, and I think over 100,000 yen it's 3,500 if I'm not mistaken. If I'm incorrect, I'm gonna insert it in the video. But yeah, but otherwise, why I use it is because it's so convenient, and I just can't imagine going to Yokohama or wherever Western Union is to send money. I live in Yokohama, but to go where it is I would have to take probably 2 trains or something like that. I don't know. I honestly don't know where it is, and I don't really care to know where Western Union is. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. So again, the 3 companies are World Remit, which I do not recommend. Western Union, if you are okay with going to locations every month, then you can try it. And Smile Wallet, which I'm gonna be leaving the link below. If you want to just do it at the comfort of your home, then you can go ahead with Smile Wallet. There are tons of different remittance companies that you can use, but those are the 3 that I'm aware of, so that's why I mentioned it in this video. But if I learn of anything else, then I'll leave it in the description box, so ensure that you check the description box. If you need information on anything, then you can always ask me the questions below or send me a DM on Instagram. My Instagram name is SashoniD. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye. We'll be right back.